This is gonna be my summer beachy hair look. Hey baddies. I'm gonna try to do like beachy, summery looking hair today. I haven't done this look in a fat minute, so let's hope I still know what I'm doing. Start by doing a middle part, because I don't feel like side parts with curls really give. Heat protectant, the Moroccan oil heat defense is my favorite dry one. Texture spray, this one is from Living Proof. I forgot how much I loved it. I think this is a 1-inch curling iron, the one from Bio-Ionic. I love it. Just start by just spraying the crap out of my hair with heat protectant. I like to curl my hair at 160. I feel like it's the perfect temperature. Start curling my hair from the back just because it's easiest. Take a section as big as your curling iron on 1 inch since I have a 1-inch curling iron. Start with the clamp facing forward. Ooh. And make sure it ends facing forward. That's how you avoid getting weird little creases with clamps. And unravel. Keep going. Untwist it out and then I pull. Well, usually I pull the ends, but kind of fucked up. I'm gonna use it like a wand and wrap it around, but I'm gonna wrap it the alternate direction and like towards my face. Beachy type of hairstyles, we want the texture and like weird different curl styles in there. And drop it in your hand and let go. So they're similar, but a little bit different, and it'll give your hair some texture. Just alternating those type of curls all throughout my head, except when I get to the top, I'm pretty much all just gonna wrap it with a normal curling iron, so it's like a cohesive pattern. To curl the top section pretty high up, so it's not just like flat, thin curls, you know? How are we feeling about my bathroom setup behind me? It's much more bougie than my last one, which fits me more. It's something for my glam room that's coming soon, and I could not be more excited for that. Need more hair and open this, that's when you know you need to release it so you can add more hair. Real hot girls wear their top and whatever fucking bottoms while they're getting ready. This is not an outfit I would wear. I'm gonna curl these front pieces pretty normal and regular because I like how that lays against my head. Once she looks like Shirley Temple, I like to go ahead and texture spray it. Texture spray is the best when it comes to like holding curls. If you're using hairspray with curls, you're doing it wrong in my opinion. I'm cool for like 5 to 10 minutes before I brush them out. I'm gonna add like little braids in here for some extra funness. I know funness isn't a word, but this is my fucking page. If you have a problem with it, leave. On the brightness so you can hopefully see better. Can't like fully tell they're alternating directions, which I like that look. And do some tiny little micro braids right at my part here. A little bit of a curl at the end and use a tiny rubber band. Kind of fucked up. I should have braided it more this way, so I'm gonna have to redo it. Oh my god, cute! Okay, yes, this is the vibe now. Oh my god, it's so subtle but so cute. I think I'm gonna do like 1 or 2 more up top. Oh my god, I like put it right under the top and it's peeking through. Yes, that is so cute. If you're blonde, you'll be able to see like the braid part a whole lot better, but I thought that counts, right? I would do a couple more, but my fucking fingers hurt and the job is done enough. You get the idea. This is the beachy summer hair tutorial. I hope you guys like this and it doesn't look stupid to you. I think it's so cute. It's time to do my makeup now. Bye, bitches.